Fresh Jambu Citra fruits arrive directly from farms. Each batch is carefully inspected before processing begins. High-pressure water removes dirt and impurities. Only clean fruits move forward in production. Only premium quality fruits are selected. Damaged fruits are removed instantly. Fruits are sliced for efficient pulp extraction. This prepares them for juice and jelly processing. Fruits are sliced for efficient pulp extraction. This prepares them for juice and jelly processing. Juice is separated from fiber using centrifuge technology. This ensures smooth liquid consistency. Ultra-fine filtration ensures pure juice quality. Every impurity is removed completely. Fresh juice is stored in temperature-controlled tanks. This preserves natural flavor and color. Juice is heated with controlled ingredients. This begins transformation into jelly base. The mixture starts turning into jelly base. Perfect texture is carefully controlled.
The hot mixture is transferred for controlled cooling. Jelly texture starts to stabilize.
Jelly is carefully poured into precision molds. This ensures uniform shape and size.
Air bubbles are removed for perfect texture. Jelly surface becomes smooth and even.
Jelly is rapidly cooled in controlled tunnels. This locks in texture and freshness.
Firm jelly is released from molds. Now ready for portioning.
Jelly is cut into perfect cube shapes. Precision ensures uniform packaging. Each cube is quality checked individually. Only premium pieces move forward.
Jelly cubes are lightly coated for taste. This enhances flavor and preservation.
Excess moisture is carefully removed. Texture becomes perfectly stable. Jelly is packed in hygienic sealed trays. Weight is automatically controlled.
Each pack is tightly sealed for freshness. Ready for distribution.
Fresh juice enters high-speed bottling line. Each bottle is filled with precision.
Each bottle receives exact juice quantity. No overfilling, no waste.
Caps are securely locked by automation, ensuring complete hygiene. Every bottle undergoes leak testing. Only perfect bottles pass.
Brand labels are applied instantly. Ready for market identity.
Finished bottles are packed securely. Prepared for global shipping. Pallets are tightly wrapped for safety. This ensures transport protection. Now chutney production begins in large kettles. Spices blend with fresh fruit pulp. Products are stored in controlled environment. Freshness is preserved. Fresh pulp is blended with traditional spices. The chutney base starts developing rich aroma.
Slow mixing ensures even spice distribution. Texture begins to thicken naturally.
Viscosity is carefully measured in real time. Perfect chutney consistency is ensured. Heat is precisely controlled for consistency. No overcooking allowed. Sweet and tangy balance is adjusted. This defines final chutney taste. Final spices enhance aroma and taste. Chutney becomes rich and flavorful. Intense mixing creates uniform texture. All ingredients fully combine. Aroma is preserved through controlled extraction. This maintains product freshness.
Each batch is manually quality tested. Only perfect consistency is approved.
Approved chutney moves to filling stage. Production continues without delay.
Chutney is filled into sterilized jars. Precision filling ensures consistency.
Each jar is filled to exact measurement. No overflow or underfill.
Jars are vacuum sealed for long shelf life. This locks in freshness.
Every jar is tested for airtight sealing. Only perfect jars continue.
Brand labels are applied automatically. Product identity is finalized.
Jars are securely packed for transport. Protection is ensured for export. Each box is sealed and coded, ready for logistics tracking. Finished cartons are stacked systematically, prepared for bulk shipping. Pallets are securely shrink-wrapped. This ensures transport safety.
Finished products are stored safely, ready for global distribution.
Final products are prepared for global export. Logistics operation begins. Final products are prepared for global export. Logistics operation begins. Each pallet is carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks. Temperature is strictly maintained.
Cargo is arranged for maximum safety. No space is wasted.
Containers are securely sealed. Shipment is now protected. All export standards are verified. Shipment is officially approved.
Products begin their journey worldwide, from factory to global markets. Jambu Citra products travel across cities, reaching international ports. Every shipment is monitored in transit. Safety is maintained at every step. Products reach international shipping ports. Global distribution begins.
Containers are loaded onto cargo ships, ready for international delivery. Cargo is secured for ocean travel. Temperature control remains active. Ship begins its long journey across oceans. From factory to global consumers, products travel safely across seas, maintaining perfect condition. Containers are offloaded safely. Distribution begins locally. Ship reaches international destination. Global market awaits.
Customers choose fresh Jambu Citra products. Trust built through quality. Every purchase completes the journey, from factory to table.
Products reach city distribution centers, ready for retail markets. Products reach city distribution centers, ready for retail markets. Fresh taste reaches the consumer. Quality speaks for itself. Jambu Citra brings joy to every home. Natural taste, trusted quality. Pure fruit goodness in every form. Jelly, juice, and chutney perfection. From farm to factory to global tables. A complete journey of freshness. Jambu Citra, nature transformed into perfection. Freshness you can trust every day.